Hey! Today we're cooking a super special treat with an Italian twist. Grab about 1 kilogram of beef shanks, roughly 2.2 pounds. If your store gives you a choice, pick 2 big shanks instead of a bunch of small ones. It's way easier to cook that way. I'm Isabel, and I'm so happy to see you here on my channel. To keep the shape while cooking, let's tie the shanks with some kitchen twine. It keeps the meat looking nice and neat, just like in a fancy restaurant. Follow along, it's super easy. Pull the twine tight. By the way, today we're making Osso Buco, Italian braised beef shanks with the bone and marrow in a rich veggie and wine sauce. Let's give the meat a good sprinkle of salt and pepper on both sides. I love cooking with wine. Drop a comment why you think that is. Alright, I'll tell you, wine makes meat tender and the sauce way tastier. Oh, and I love wine too. Today's meat is gonna be super juicy, I promise. And I hope you like bone marrow. After 40, it's not just tasty, it's preventative. Eat it and the only thing crunching will be your buns, not your knees. Bone marrow in Osso Buco has a soft, buttery texture, kinda like nutty butter. Plus, it's packed with collagen, iron, vitamins, and healthy fats that support your joints. There are a few ways to make this dish. Today we'll have 2 sauces, one for juiciness, and one with a light tang to bring out the meat's flavor and add brightness. Coat the meat in flour on both sides. When we sear it, we'll get a golden crust that locks in all the juices. Plus, it makes the dish look amazing. I promise today's recipe will be super tasty and hearty. But I have to say, I only found the meat in a big supermarket. Comment below how meat shopping works in your country. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching from. I live in a small town in western Poland. Today's beef dish is packed with protein and iron, which help your muscles, joints, and overall energy. Time to sear the meat. Add a little vegetable oil to the pan. I use pans with removable handles so you can also pop them in the oven. Super practical, definitely something to keep in mind. I love it when the oil in the pan throws its little rock concert. It's like a spa for your ears. Let's chop some onions for the veggie sauce. Onions might make you cry, but it's happy crying. They clean your blood, boost immunity, and make your food tastier. Tip: to cut onions without tears, chill them in the fridge 15-30 minutes and use a sharp knife. Fewer cell bursts means fewer irritants in the air, so less crying. I show every step in detail, so it'll be super easy to follow along at home. Place the seared meat into a baking dish. Now let's make the veggie sauce right in this pan. The butter is sizzling and bubbling like it's spilling kitchen secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. If you like this one, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and make more fun content. Chop the carrots. Carrots are little vitamin powerhouses, loaded with beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin. Also packed with vitamins C and K for immunity and antioxidants to protect cells from aging. These crunchy sticks of health are full of goodness. Carrots help your eyesight, boost immunity, and even care for your brain. And they're just tasty and pretty too. Look at those onions sautéing, so beautiful. Every piece dances into golden perfection, ready to make any dish amazing. The carrots say, "Let's shine." The onions reply, "Okay, but I'll cry a bit on the way." Together, they make the dish unforgettable. Mix everything well. Oh, it's gonna be so good, trust me friends. Time to chop some green bell pepper for the veggie sauce. Peppers come in all rainbow colors: deep red, yellow, bright green, and orange. Each color not only looks pretty but brings nutrients. Red is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, yellow boosts immunity, green supports metabolism and protects cells. And don't forget to subscribe, or you'll be stuck telling jokes alone. The veggie sauce isn't just a side, it's key. It ties all the flavors together, makes the meat tender, juicy, aromatic, and adds nutrients from the vegetables. Our sauce brings out the wine and broth flavors, spreads the spices evenly. Without it, the dish would lose depth, become dry and flat. Chop 2 garlic cloves and half a chili pepper. You can adjust the amount to taste. Garlic is a natural immune booster, fights infections, strengthens the heart, and keeps blood pressure normal. Garlic is also your personal vampire guard. Eat a clove, and your night is safe. Chili adds a fiery kick and tons of benefits. Its main component, capsaicin, boosts metabolism, burns calories, and supports the heart. Chili also triggers endorphins, giving you a happy, energized feeling when you eat it. Our dish is now a rainbow of colors. Looks amazing. This recipe takes a bit of work, but just follow my steps and you'll nail it. Salt, pepper, and mix the veggies well. A little patience, and soon our veggie sauce will burst with color. Add a bit of smoked paprika. Add some rosemary and mix. Smoked paprika gives a deep, slightly smoky flavor, and rosemary adds fresh pine notes that balance the richness. Add about 150 milliliters, roughly 2/3 cup, of dry white wine. Mix it well so it soaks into the veggies, lifts the caramelized bits from the pan, and gives the sauce a rich aroma with a gentle tang. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add broth and mix. Look at that, it smells amazing and looks gorgeous. Simmer the veggie sauce over low heat for about 5 minutes to thicken and release all its aroma. If your finger's free, hit that like button and let it work for my channel today. Add the aromatic veggies to the meat. Today we're making a truly tasty, harmonious dish. Add a bit more pre-cooked broth. It's gonna be juicy. Toss in a couple of bay leaves. Oops, forgot to film that, but hey, it's all wine's fault. Cover with foil and bake for 3 hours at 180 degrees Celsius, about 356 degrees F. While the meat cooks, let's make a special tangy sauce. We'll need fresh parsley leaves. This sauce is gonna be amazing. Comment below if you like this recipe. I love using simple, everyday ingredients. You can find them anywhere in the world. Finely chopped parsley will be the base for our sauce. Time to add some lemon zest. I use a peeler, but a small grater or even a fork works fine. Follow along, it's super easy. Lemon zest is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential oils that flavor food and support immunity. Add the chopped zest to the parsley. The lemon will also give juice, bringing fresh flavor, vitamin C, boosting immunity, and aiding digestion. Add lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well. The sauce is almost ready. It adds a fresh tangy flavor, green aroma, vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that support heart and immune health. Use veggie broth to cook the side. We're using couscous, tiny wheat semolina grains popular in North Africa. Quick to steam or boil, and great for sides, salads, or hot dishes. Couscous has complex carbs, fiber, and protein, keeping you full and energized. Our meat is done. Let's remove the twine. Let's make a sauce from our braised veggies. Follow along, it's super easy. Push the braised veggies through a sieve, leaving just a clear, flavorful liquid. If you like the video, hit like. If not, hit dislike, but hope next time's better. Bring the sauce to a gentle boil and simmer about 5 minutes. Add a little sugar to balance the flavor. Mix well. Smells so good. Add a bit of cornstarch so the sauce becomes velvety. Mix and let it simmer briefly. Looks juicy and it's gonna be delicious. Add grated Parmesan. Cheese gives a creamy, nutty flavor and aroma. Plus, it adds protein, calcium, and healthy fats, making the dish more balanced and nutritious. Dish is ready. Place the side under the meat, let it enjoy the company too. Place the meat and pour over the sauce. Add our special tangy sauce for the meat. We got tender, juicy, incredibly flavorful meat, pure delight. Try this recipe, it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching till the end, friends. See you in the next video, and take care. Enjoy your meal. Try this real delicacy, soft, melt in your mouth bone marrow.